Hi guys, what's up? If you're new here, talk about disabilities. I do blogs sometimes, and lately I've been just doing different videos just because of we're still in a pandemic. So whatever I come up with is what I post. If you like all the stuff I've been posting lately, comment below and let me know. And also like, comment, subscribe, all that. So today we're gonna talk about dyslexia a bit. Is mostly for like school stuff. For me, I am a visual, and that means I need to see what's in front of me to understand what is going on, like in school. Since I'm in college, since my class is online because, well, pandemic right now. I have like an assignment due or whatever. What helps me is I print out if it's long instructions, I print it out, and I'm probably gonna highlight the important things I need to do. So if you're like me, that will help you. If you're more auditory, then there's there's accommodations you can ask for that can help you with stuff like that. But like I'm saying, what helps me because I have dyslexia is to okay, think of a plan. So print it out. I'm not gonna work on it when I'm tired. So if you have enough time, give yourself like a day and then work on it. But I wouldn't recommend procrastinating when you have like a disability, especially dyslexia. You might think it might take you 15 minutes. For me, it depends on the paper and what not to do, but I am taking like a child development class this semester and trying to get like my certificate done. So I probably will use this steps is print out. I will highlight what I need to do or underline or whatnot, and then the next day or whatnot, start on it, go over the spelling and all that, like reading all the instructions and make sure it's all correct, and then copy and paste it into Canvas and submit it. So those are a few steps that help me. I hope this helps you or somebody that has dyslexia or has like a learning disability. Share this video, give it a like, and subscribe because a lot of you guys watch my videos are not subscribed. I don't understand, and hit the notification bell because that'll probably help when I do upload a video. So have a great day. Bye.